How to fix Call of Duty Cold War not connecting to online services on Windows. To fix Call of Duty Cold War not connecting to online services on Windows, try 1. Check Call of Duty Cold War server status. 2. Allow COD, Black Ops Cold War.exe, through Windows, Defender, Firewall, like this. 3. Run your game and launcher as administrator, like this. 4. Update your network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Ensure your Activision and Blizzard accounts are linked correctly.